Life moves fast, and for a long time, I felt like I was losing my edge. I just didn't have the same drive anymore. My energy levels were at an all-time low, and honestly, my self-confidence took a major hit in almost every area of my life. It wasn't just about me, no, it started affecting my relationship with Sarah. The intimacy and connection we once had felt distant and strained. I know I needed to make a change. But I wanted something natural and reliable. That is when I discovered the benefits of VigRX Plus. What caught my attention was the blend of premium natural ingredients. It felt like the right choice for a health-conscious man like me. I started incorporating it into my daily routine. And it didn't take long before I began to notice a significant shift in my vitality. I woke up feeling refreshed, ready to tackle the day with a sense of vigor I hadn't felt in years. My confidence was finally back. As my energy returned, so did the spark in my relationship. Sarah noticed the change in my mood and my presence almost immediately. We started spending more quality time together, and the intimacy that had faded was suddenly more vibrant and intense than ever before. It is amazing how much your physical well-being impacts your emotional connection. I felt more present, more capable, and much more connected to her. VigRX Plus provided that natural boost I needed to reclaim my confidence. It has been a complete game changer for our entire lifestyle. If you are feeling like you've lost that spark, don't just wait for it to return. Take a step toward natural, effective support today. Experience the difference for yourself and your partner. Rediscover your confidence and intimacy with the proven, natural power of VigRX Plus.